This is the case study 1 from chapter triangles, similar triangles. Question is Vijay is trying to find the average height of a tower near his house. He is using the properties of similar triangle. Height of Vijay's house is 20 meter. So clearly in the picture we can say this is Vijay's house. This height is 20 meter given and it casts a shadow 10 meter long on the ground. So this shadow is 10 meter long. Okay. So it should be actually like this. This is house and this is shadow 20, 10. At the same time, the tower cast a shadow 50 meter long. This is 50. And house of Ajay cast 20 meter. So this shadow is 20 meter. This is Ajay's house on the ground. Okay. Now here height of Ajay's house and height of tower is not given. So maybe in other questions they will ask that. So we can find here itself. At the same time mention that means the sun rays will make the same angle with the ground. Okay, whether it is Ajay's house with whether it is tower or Vijay's house, this theta will remain same. Theta will be common. And since all the means building are vertically upright direction, we can say all are 90. So these three triangles we got here all are similar to each other. Okay, they will be similar to each other. So if they are similar, we can write, if I consider Vijay and tower, Vijay's house and tower, I can write ratio of the sides, isn't it? So 20 by h, suppose 20 by h is equal to base, we can write 10 by 50. So if I cancel this here, means cross multiply we can do. So h will be 100 meter. But what is h? Height of tower. So this will be 100 meter. Okay. Similarly, Ajay's house height also we can find if we take these two triangles. Okay. Anyway, all the three are similar. Second and third also we can take. But we'll take the first and the third one. So 20 by, and this height is suppose h, small h. This working is for Ajay's house. Okay. Ajay's house. And this is for tower. So 20 by h and then 10 by 20. 10 by 20. So cross multiply here, 20 into 20 by 10 is equal to h. 1 0 cancel. H will be 40. Okay, so Ajay's house height is 40. So now we'll go to the questions here. First question is, what is the height of the tower? Already we calculated, right? And we got the 100 meter answer. That means C option will be correct. Next is, what will be the length of the shadow of the tower when Vijay's house cast a shadow of 12 meter? Length of the shadow of the tower. Okay, so here we have to draw the triangles again. This is Vijay's house and this is tower. Okay, building height is same. This is 20 and this is 100 we got, isn't it? But the shadow is changed. Shadow length is changed. This is 12 meter now. So this we have to find. Okay. So let it be any variable x. So again triangles are similar. So 20 by 100. Okay, 20 by 100. 12 by x. So cross multiply. 20x is equal to 12 into 100. X will be 12 into 100 by 20. So this will go 2 5s are 10. X will be 60. What is this x? Shadow of the tower. So 60 is the answer, which is in option D. Question number 3. What is the height of Ajay's house? That we already calculated. Ajay's house height. isn't it? That is 40. Okay, 40 is the height. Next question, when the tower cast a shadow 40, means tower height is same 100 meter, but this time shadow length is changed 40 meter. Okay, see, shadow length can be different at different times. So, but the same time, at the same time, when tower cast a shadow of 40 meter, what will be the length of the shadow of Ajay's house? So we know Ajay's house height is 40. So this we should find here. Let it be y. Again, both are similar. We'll take the ratio of the sides 40 by y. So we can reshuffle y is equal to 40 into 40 by 100. So this will go, answer will be 16 meter. So option A will be correct. Question is, when the tower cast a shadow of 40 meters. So tower length we know 100 and it is 40, right? Same time, what will be the length of the shadow of Vijay house? So Vijay house height we know 20. So this shadow we should find here. So again, sides will be in equal ratio 20 by 100, z by 40. So this will go to the other side. So z will be 800 by 100 means 8 meter, which is in option D. So D option is correct.